We're about to throw this survival bike out of a non-standard aircraft. We're trying to get this thing infiltrated behind disaster and enemy lines.
Now that it's on the ground, we're going to see if it sustained any damage and if it can still power up and be ridden.
See if it survived.
The bike looks good after the drop. Now we just have to reattach the handlebars and pedals so we can see if it rides.
It feels good.
Is it drive or not? Let's see.
All right, ready?
Yeah. There it goes. Success. Looks good.
Damn.
It survived the cargo drop. We were able to find it, locate it, land with it, and then get it back together in about 3 minutes. Done.
I'd say the total process took about 5-6 minutes.
You know, from a civilian and a military standpoint, I mean, this thing can be cargo dropped. We just proved that, and now it's effective for mobility.
Yeah, I think disasters are measured in seconds. And the fact that this could, be dropped behind disaster lines and save lives, dude, it's a huge win for everybody.
Huge first test, and it passed. Super impressed, man.
Me too, bro.
All right.
All right, I'll see you later.
All right.